एक्जिम बैंक ने 1.25 अरब डॉलर की नई माली मावनत मंजूर कर ली है। माली मावनत के तहत अमरीका पाकिस्तान शराकतदारी बलूचिस्तान में मौशी तरक्की को आगे बढ़ाएगी। अमरीकी नाज़िमुल उमूर नेटली बेकर ने वाज़ेह किया कि माली मावनत पाकिस्तान में कारोबारों और मकामी आबादी के लिए एक गेम चेंजर साबित होगी।
I'm pleased to highlight the U.S. Export-Import Bank recently approved financing of $1.25 billion to support the mining of critical minerals at Reko-Dik in Pakistan. In the coming years, Exim's project financing will bring in up to $2 billion in high-quality U.S. mining equipment and services needed to build and operate the Reko-Dik mine, along with creating an estimated 6,000 jobs in the U.S. and 7,500 jobs in Baluchistan, Pakistan. The Reko-Dik project serves as the model for mining projects that will benefit U.S. exporters as well as local Pakistani communities and partners by bringing employment and prosperity to both our nations. The Trump administration has made the forging of deals exactly like this one central to American diplomacy. We look forward to seeing further agreements between U.S. companies and their Pakistani counterparts